In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fill a color in Krita. So this is the tool that we will be using. It's called fill a contiguous area. So to start off, we're just gonna draw some shapes here, and I'm gonna choose this brush and just start drawing some shapes where we can fill colors in. Now I'm gonna click the fill a contiguous area, and then you can choose whatever color you want. I'm gonna choose the same color, or let's just choose green here, and then you click on it and it should automatically fill the color. Now you may notice there's some gaps here, little white gaps. If you want it to be perfect, all you have to do is go, after you clicked on the fill tool, you scroll down here and increase the threshold. I'm gonna increase it a little bit, and you see it's still there, so you gotta increase it more. As you can see, the gaps are no longer there. It looks a lot more cleaner and it fills the whole thing. Here it does the same thing. If you click outside, it will fill the whole page. Let's undo this, and you could basically do whatever you want with this, and it will be useful. See here, it's not full, so I'm going to increase the threshold. Yeah, you still need to increase it. Maybe over here should be good. Okay, see, this is better. Now you could adjust this as to your liking. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.